Tigris Omega lock, and I don't know much about this. Quite chunky key, very thick, very robust key with lots of warding along its edge and an amazing bitting. Just look at that bitting, isn't that great? But I don't know much about this other than the fact it's 6 pins. It's got some decent security pins in. It's a tricky little pick. Feels like you're picking an Asa alloy lock, like the, is it 600, something like that? Yeah, it feels a bit like that. And yeah, it's just a very nice lock lent to me by my good friend Yukov. So thank you, Yukov, for lending this to me. I think that the best thing I can do is throw this in a vise. I'll first of all take the back off to save a bit of time if we do pick it, and see if we can pick it and then gut it. All right, see you in a second. Okay, so we are in the vise, and you can see this lovely key here. Just look at that with its 6 pins. Deep cut here to protect the high cut in position 2, like a maximum adjacent cut. Long key pin, short key pin, another short key pin, a deep cut again, then 2 medium cuts. Works so smoothly. I've got an 18,000th or 0.5mm deep hook. I've got a piece of bent wiper blade, which I'm just going to insert into the top of the keyway. Light tension, and just go in. Pin 2's binding, I've got a little click out of that. Just go long and just see what isn't set. So 2 wasn't fully set. Nothing on 6. 5. 4. Little click. 3 now. No, not getting anything off this, so try 2 again. Yep. Nice clicks. Five. 6. Some little clicks there. Nothing on 1. Just test 2 again. 2 feels fine. 3, 4, 5. Go pin by pin, just tapping the tops. Try not to overset anything. There's 2 again that just wasn't picked. That's 5. Give a little click. 4, 3, 2 feels fine. Nothing on 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to 2. Lovely click. Anything on 1? Look, a couple of clicks on 1. Can't feel anything at the front, anything at the back, sorry. Maybe a little click on 5 there. Just trying to get anything to work at the back. 1 just gave me a nice click. 2, 4, 5, 6, a little click. Back through, nothing on 1. 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. 5, a little click. 4. Hopefully you haven't overset anything. Just go back to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2's dropped. 4, 5, nice 2 clicks, 6 there. Let's see if I can't encourage, oh, 1 little core movement, 6 little movement, another little click on 6, another click on 3, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel that we're so close, but it's finding that last, oh, and click on 2 and we are open. Wow, what a lock. Let's quickly gut this while we can. Move that vice over there. Probably still in shot, but we'll deal with it. I've got a follower. I think we'll get away with just following it straight out with this lock. Looking at the back tailpiece, there we go. Let's do this very quickly then. So, pin 1, pin 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All very nice. And then we've got, which one's the front? This is the front, so we'll do front to back. Pin 1, that's a very short little barrel spool. Very tight lipped spools here. You'll see what I mean in a second. Oh, come here you. Another like barrel type spool, very short pin on 4, 5, and finally 6. I can dump the springs out, see if there's anything interesting in there. Not really. Nothing interesting in the body of the lock either, so we'll just pop these springs into their retrospective slots, and then we can have a look. So this is really interesting actually, because we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very nice standard key pins, and this one is very different. You notice it's flat, and the key itself is flat at the tip as well. I don't know whether you can see that in particular, but that last cut is flat to coincide with that key pin. I don't know why that is. I can't think of a reason why that would do anything. If we look at the plug here, there might be some very mild undercutting. Can you see there's some grooves just on the inside? Where's my hook? Let's have a feel. Yes, certainly, hear that? There's something happening there. It's not particularly deep, but it feels like it's got a little serration just there. Don't know whether that's just how it was milled or whether it's a security feature. I'm not so sure. The pins are very, very cute. I'll get a long one and a short one. Look at these very, very, very sharp lipped spool pins. Very slight spools, so they feel a lot more like serrated pins. Very similar to what you get in, or the feel of what you get in an Asa lock, like the, was it D12, something like that? Yeah, these are very Asa-like spool pins, and quite tricky. Lots of little clicks, feels like serrations. So yeah, that's the Tigris Omega. Very cool. Don't know much about this lock. If you do, then drop some notes for me in the comments. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, drop me a like, and if you think I deserve it, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.